Welcome everybody to the Whole Circle Homestead. I'm very excited about today's project. We're going to turn this old trailer into a farm stand. Come along, let's have some fun. First thing first, let's get rid of all this wood. See if any of it's salvageable. With wood prices today, we reuse what we can. I ripped off most of the front. They either cut the frame or it's that rusted. We'll get the rest removed and see what we got to work with and fix it up. Back's off. Let's keep cleaning it up. I got most of the sides off. With the rot, the old owner just added more wood, so there's like 3 layers of decking here that'll be fun to deal with. Get this crap off. Looks like the frame is broken, a little more rusted than I'd hoped, so we'll have to figure that out and weld it. Let's keep going. Well, it's been a while. Life has a way of getting busy. I've sanded and painted most of this. I have a little left on the tongue to do. I'll show you how I did it. Saved you having to watch the whole trailer. We'll weld this up and keep on building. Fair warning, I'm not the best welder, and I've never used this camera to film it. Enjoy. Well, it's been a while since I've welded. Let's give you an update and show you what we've been working on. So I painted all the trailer black, put down some plywood and painted that gray, built up our basic structure and put the beam where we'll hang our signs of what produce is available. Next we just got to put the pole barn of steel on and we're ready to go. Works. Let's get to business. Well, here you have it, the finished farm stand. Let me show you. Made some signs to show what we're selling. You can always make some more. We got a little table where we'll put our wares and our thank you box. Well, I hope you enjoyed the project. I hope you enjoyed watching. The stand's been doing pretty well so far. It is kind of disturbing how many thieves are close to home. Please like, comment, and subscribe, and join the Wholesome Homesteader community. We'll see you next time. Oh, it's rolling. What to say, what to say. Oh, is that on picture mode? I hope not.